Hello student, let us see the next problem from the ionic equilibrium. They are saying what is meant by conjugate acid base pair. They are asking meaning of the conjugate acid base pair. So let us have a look over it, Mr. Conjugate acids comma base pair. Okay student, so when we talk about the conjugate acid base pair, they are differ by a proton, student. Okay, the so we can write acid or base, acid comma base pair are pairs which are which are differs by a proton. Either you write H plus or proton, differs by H plus or proton is called what, student? Is called conjugate acid base pair. It's called conjugate acid base pair. Okay, so when you're talking about the example, suppose they are saying that is conjugate acid pair, meaning they are explaining a student the meaning. They are saying that is they are differ by what, student? They are differ by, that is what, proton. Okay, they are differ by proton. And their next part of the question, they are asking find the conjugate acid base pair for the following species. So we are having a student HNO2. This is our example. So this HNO2 student, if it is the acid, if it is the acid, so what would be the conjugate base? So it should be differ by the proton. So that is NO2 minus, that is the conjugate base. This is the student conjugate base. Next one, student, Cn minus is there. This is base, student. This is base. So its conjugate acid is what, student? HCN. This is what conjugate acid. Up, dear student, how it is conjugate acid and how is it conjugate base? So, dear student, this is, see, the hydrogen is extra here and it is no hydrogen. It is no hydrogen, so here is hydrogen. So these are differ by what, student? Differ by hydrogen. If, see, student, if you talk about the other, suppose if you are talking about ClO4 minus, student. So this is the base, student. Negative charge is there, student. So this is what, student? This is base. Negative charge is there, so that it is a base. Now, student, if you talk about its conjugate acid, so it will be, that is HClO4 minus. It is HClO4, not the minus charge, student. HClO4. So this will be the conjugate acid. HClO4. This is the conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. Okay. Now let us move for the next part, student. Next part, what is there? Let's suppose F minus is there. So for F minus, how we can differ? F minus, it will be the HF. Okay. Next one is OH minus is there, student. So it will be, if it is OH minus, so it will be, that is H2O. So here is one hydrogen more, here is one hydrogen more. If it is CO3 2 minus, student, so there will be the proton difference, so we can write HCO3 minus. If S2 minus is there, student, it will be, that is HS minus. So this is our answer, student. This is our answers. They are all differ by the hydrogen, not any other things, right? So they are the, whatever the negatively charged are there, they are the base, student. They are the base. Then it is the conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. This is the conjugate acid, right, student? Thank you so much for watching, friends.